Greetings and salivations, everyone. I'm Krista, this is Fisher, and welcome to C-Rad. Today we're putting together the Build Your Own Snow Globe Ornament Kit, so stay tuned.
C-Rad.
Well, hello everyone. Welcome. We hope everyone's doing totally rad today. We did the review on the Hallmark ornaments that came out this month, and one of those ornaments we showed was this one right here. It's a Build Your Own Snow Globe Ornament Kit, and I said during that video I wasn't going to show it then. I was going to put it together on a separate video. So that's what we're going to do today, guys. We're going to take it out of the box. We're going to see how easy or how difficult it is to put it together. And then when all is said and done, of course, I will rate it on our scale of totally bad to totally rad. So Fisher, I'm going to need both hands for this, so I need to set you to the side for a little bit. You go with that?
I'm good with that.
Alright, little dude. Boop. We will see you in a little bit. So yes, we've got a crafty video. Inside is supposed to be some little snow, a little insert, of course the snow globe. Looks like we've got some Crayola markers and some stickers, and it looks like there's like little stars all the way around it, so I don't know if somebody drew on that with the Crayola markers or if that's some of the stickers that come with it. So yeah, let's get this out of the box and put it together. And here's the snow globe portion of it out of the box. Kind of tapping on it. It's like a thick plastic, it's not glass, but it has this little lid on it. So you're going to take that off, pull that out, and then you'll be able to get out the stuff that's inside. And oh look, it's got glitter. Mel, it's got glitter. My friend Mel, her husband, loves glitter. It's one of his favorite things in the whole wide world. And also inside, it looks like there's some stickers maybe that go on Grogu. And then there's the little fake snow. And in the box was the 3 Crayola markers, a sheet of stickers that go around the base, I'm going to assume. And we have the little Grogu insert. Oh, I see. You get to color him yourself. So yay! We've got some coloring to do, guys, so that'll be fun. And of course, there are instructions. So yeah, let's start with those so we can see what we have to do in what order. So the instructions come in 2 different languages. It looks like English and French, I believe. Definitely looks like French to me. But first thing you're going to do is take everything apart, which we've already done, and then you're going to decorate your character. And if you want to do stickers like on the back of it, it says to do the stickers before you color it, because once you color it, the stickers will not adhere to the character. And there are 2 little stickers for eyes. So yeah, we definitely want to put those on before we start coloring. So let's do that part first. Let's get little Grogu's eyes off the sticker sheet here, if they're going to come off. They do. They're very, very tiny. And then, yeah, once you have them on, make sure you have them in the right spot, because once they are on there, they stick really, really well, and it's kind of hard to get them off. Color-wise, they only give you 3 markers. You've got a green, which is for Grogu. You've got a gray, which I think is to color in like these little parts of the pram. And then you have the tan, which is his little robe that you can see right here. So I'm gonna start with the green so we can see how good that one works. I never have faith in these markers. It seems to color really, really easy, guys. Let me see if I can turn this so you can see me coloring it a little bit. But the color is coming out pretty well on him. So let me color all the Grogu in. Yep, be super careful when you're coloring the top of your Grogu in, because look, guys, I already colored on the white part. My bad. And there he is with all of his green colored in. Not too bad. Now, you don't have to use the markers that come with this. If you want to kind of do your own thing and go with acrylic paints, you can do that as well. You might have to use some gesso on it first to get the paint to stick, but it's plaster, so probably not. But hey, better safe than sorry, right? But we're gonna grab the little beigey one and we're gonna color in his robe next. And the color on the beige one comes out really super light, guys. So I'm thinking as it dries it looks a little bit better, but I already got some of it up on his face. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm gonna try to go back over that with the green. Hopefully that green covers that back up. Yeah, looks like it covered it back up. We're all fixedy now. Super adorable little dude. Then I've got the gray, and I'm gonna go into like the little parts of the pod that are damaged. Kind of give that some gray highlights. And my gray seems to be, even though it's new, it seems to be a little dried out. So, not coming out super duper well on here, but there's some gray highlights for him. I guess you could also paint behind him gray so you have a little bit of a kind of contrast. Yeah, I kind of like that. It makes him pop a little bit more. But, you know, it's up to you. You can do with it what you want. If you want to grab some pink paint and put some pink paint in his ears. But yeah, I like that gray behind him because now he pops out a little bit better. So the next step on this is you're going to adhere this little guy to this part of the base. So you had the lid and you had this part that you pulled out. There is a little glue strip that comes in the package that you're going to put on the bottom of your little figure, and then you're going to adhere that to this part of the base. And I'm still trying to figure out, it opens like that. Let's see, are we sticky? Alright, so this is the sticky side. Does it have two sticky sides? Ooh, it does. It's like the stuff that they attach to gift cards. I don't like it, guys, but it's a little sticky. And then, yeah, you're just going to attach it to the base. I don't think that's going to hold really well, guys. That's just, he's already falling over on me. So you might have to get out some hot glue and kind of hot glue it together to get it to really stick well. I'm probably going to take mine all apart when I'm done and kind of color him a little bit better. But yeah, alright, he's kind of on there. We held him. He's kind of stuck. Next part, you're going to grab the globe, this globe right here, and it said to pour in the glitter. And they're like little stars. I don't know if you can see that they're stars, guys. Remember I said on the picture it looked like there were little yellow stars? I thought they were stickers, but apparently they are glitter for the snow globe. So let's try to do this and not get glitter stars all over the place. Come on, I want them all in there. Get all in there. So we've got the glitter in there. Then you can also put the snow in. So these are like little snowballs, and those just go in there as well. So you've got glitter and snow. Those little styrofoam balls are really sticking to the plastic, guys. Next, we want to put this guy in, and when I turn him over, let's hope that the glue sticks. If not, it's back to square one of trying to figure out how to get him to stick there. But yeah, you're going to turn him over, put him inside. Oh yeah, he's about to fall off there, guys. And then you're gonna put the lid back on. And then we're gonna turn him over and hope he stays together. And nope, look, I shook him up and he fell over, guys. So yeah, let me try to re-stick that, which I'm sure the glitter is all stuck to the glue now, but let me get some regular glue and try to see if we can get this a little bit better. So back upside down. Yep, totally lost you. Sorry, dude. So yes, the glue strip that comes with this is pretty much poo. And yeah, it's already, all the glitter is all stuck in it. So there is no way that this glue is going to work to hold this Grogu. So let me get something better and see if we can get that to work. So I grabbed some of my E6000 glue. I'm going to take that little booger glue off of there. And we're going to stick it with some E6000. And hopefully that will hold it a little bit better. I'm going to let him cure for a couple seconds and then we will put him in and see if he works. I let it cure for about 5 minutes and yeah, see, that's working much better. Hot glue may work, but hot glue and plastic sometimes don't agree with one another. So yes, this is a very well-loved tube of E6000 glue, but I use it for a lot of my projects. So thank you, E6000 glue, you saved the day. And then the last part of this is just putting the sticker around the base. You can have it say, "Merry Force be with you," or I like this one. I like this bottom one, so I think I'm going to put that one on the bottom of the snow globe. So let's get that off of there. Try not to curl it up. So I'm gonna start in the back so that, you know, we're not kind of overlapping each other on the front. Just get it super, super even. And this is like it's almost like a tape rather than a sticker. So just going around there, taking my time, going kind of slow on it. Just got to pull it up now and then to make sure you're right on track there. Cute! I like the globe like that. I mean, yes, you could put other stickers on the outside of the globe if you want to. You've got all of these Mandalorian helmets and of course the Merry Force be with you. I like it this way, so I'm going to leave mine this way for now, but I'm going to save these stickers because they might come in handy in a future project. So there it is, guys, all together. He's cute. He's got little stars that kind of stick when you... And I got all kinds of stuff stuck to my glue, but that's okay. And I noticed when I took him out, he had all kinds of stars stuck in the pod and stuck on his face. But he's super adorable. He's only $9.99, and it's a good craft for the holiday season. It's not a bad price other than that pooey glue. I did that glue strip. Well, I'm telling you guys, take the glue strip out of the box and just throw it right away because it's not going to do a darn thing. Use some super glue, use some E6000 glue, something, anything to hold it into place so that it doesn't, you know, fall over and end up looking really, really bad. And also, if you want, you know, a more truer Grogu, of course you can use acrylic paints on it and kind of make it a little bit better. But it's cute. I made it myself. I'm proud of it. And it's going to look really fabulous on our tree. So rating this on our scale of totally bad to totally rad. As far as ease goes, it was pretty easy. The directions were very clear. As far as quality goes, quality-wise, that's great. I thought it was going to be like a little cardboard insert. I didn't realize it was going to be a ceramic one. And you got the fun little star glitter. That's fun. But yes, again, that glue, so that takes a little notch off there. But I also think looks-wise, it's really cute and adorable. So rating this on our scale of totally bad to totally rad, I'm gonna call it a totally rad, guys. I might actually change out some of those styrofoam balls for like that Christmas snow and put that in there instead. But there's all kinds of things that you can do to this to make it your own. So what do you guys think of it? Let me know in the comments below. Has anybody gotten one, and what have you done? Did you follow the directions, or did you kind of go your own path and make something just totally different and unique? Let me know in the comments. But in the meantime, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more awesome and totally rad things in the future, please subscribe to our channel and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss seeing us. And I guess there's only one thing left to say, right, Snow Globy? We'll see ya later.